I hope you already know that ImpulsX exchange has emerged with EurekX exchange. But the name ImpulsX will not be gone, it will live on in the form of a trading system. So in this video I would like to give you a complete overview of ImpulsX trading system. What it is, how you can benefit from the system itself and also from its powerful compensation plan. So enjoy the video! Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Armin, and on this video I would like to give you a complete overview of the new ImpulsX trading system. First I will cover products, and later on I will talk about the affiliate program attached to the system. And you don't want to miss that part, because this affiliate system or the compensation plan is really powerful. Plus the company is offering 30-day trial, so stay with me till the end. But now those products. Company is offering two types of products. Training packages and also bots for trading. And let's start with training packages or training products. The first one is Ninja Trading Modules, which costs $39.99, and it is a monthly payment. And you will get trained by professionals in crypto. You receive step-by-step videos on how to trade, and there are 3 different skill levels, and those trainings are updated monthly. So the course has been set up in trading modules, and every month you will get access to new module. And there are 3 different skill levels: beginner's level, intermediate level, and expert level. So depending what experience you have with trading. If you are completely beginner, I would of course suggest to start from beginners courses. But you can have access to all of them. Just every month a new model in that specific skill will be opened. The course is being done by company's 2 professional traders, Nabil Amrani and Victor Amoto. And to know more about those guys, let me for example read the bio of Nabil. I have been trading Forex and precious metals full-time since 2012, and I was introduced to and started trading Bitcoin and cryptos in 2014. I started to focus entirely on the crypto market since 2016. Since 2014, the yearly profit and loss of trading the crypto markets has been constantly over 100%. Since we started Polaris Universal in 2017, I have been managing the company's portfolio exclusively. And little side note here that Polaris Universal is the main company behind all those products and services and platforms. So this ImpulsX trading system, EurekX exchange and everything, all this is under Polaris Universal. But let me move on. So during my school years I was majoring in physics, then I majored in international relations before dropping out of college to give all my time to trading. Studying research methods in college has been critical in my trading. My approach consists of setting the mid and long-term bias based on quantitative and qualitative forecasting models and trade the short-term moves based on the market structure and the trends set by price action. So this is experience or background of Nabil. And working with Polaris Universal, they have been able to generate approximately 10% each month. So in a year, it's over 120%. So if you would like to learn how to become profitable, this course is a good place to start. But if you want to take your training skills to the next level fast, then the following option is for you. And that is personal mentoring training. And it costs $249.99, and it's again monthly payment. And this includes get personal mentoring from the professional trading team, private group to chat with pro traders, and weekly Zoom calls with the trading team. And there is a maximum of 30 participants that can take part in that call. In that Zoom call they will discuss the strategies they used, so why they took the trades they took, and of course Q&A, so questions and answers. So you will get exclusive access to group where you can chat directly with those traders. You can ask whatever questions you have for about trading, and you get answered by them. And every week you can participate in Zoom calls when you can interact with those traders even more. And to make it more personalized, the maximum the maximum number of members who can join that Zoom call is 30 members. So if you would like to become a professional trader fast, then this would be the best option for you. But let's move on. This is where things are starting to get more interesting. If you don't like to trade yourself, is it maybe because you cannot handle your emotions, or maybe you don't have time to constantly watch charts and figure out which trades to take and which not, or whatever reason it is that you don't want to deal with trading itself, then this next option would be maybe for you. And this is a basic subscription which costs $9.99 monthly. And you will get 24/7 trading signals from those professional traders. When you purchase this subscription, you will be added to the Telegram group where those traders are sharing their signals to trade. So you can use those signals to trade yourself. And there are two different groups. One is dedicated to Forex and one is dedicated to crypto. But you can choose both if you want. So you don't have to choose between those two. Then you will get your own web shop with all the products. So all those products which I'm mentioning here, just not this basic subscription. So the trading packages and also what I'm going to talk about next. So those products will be listed on your web shop. And you will get commission from every purchase that is being made in that web shop. Even if you purchase yourself. So for example, if you purchase a trading package in your web shop, you get commission, and this commission is 7.5%. And you get commissions also from renewals. So if somebody purchases this monthly payment product and then a new month comes and new payment comes, then you can get the commission. So it's another form of passive income again. And lastly, with this you will be placed inside a matrix. And I will talk about this matrix later on, so stay with me. But here I have really good news for you, so I hope you watched till this moment here, because the company is actually offering 30 days free trial, meaning that you start to get those signals, so you can try those signals out. You also get this web shop, so you start to get commissions, and lastly you will also be placed inside the matrix and start building your teams there. And all this without making any payment. And after 30 days, it's up to you if you want to stay inside the matrix and use those products and services. You just pay this $9.99 monthly, or you just want to leave, then you cancel this subscription. So that the decision is up to you. But let me move on. So for example, you don't want to deal with trading at all, so you don't want to take any trades yourself, then this next option is for you. And this is trading pots for EurekaX.io, and this is $39.99 monthly payment per pot. There will be a total of 3 pots, but right now it's only they offer only one pot, and it's called N-pot. It's fully automated pot that uses strategies tested by professional traders. So it's completely set and forget. And last 4 years, the average profit has been 125% a year. So like I mentioned earlier, approximately 10% or even a little bit more a month. But important note here, past performance is not guarantee of future results, because we never can predict what happens. The risk per trade is a maximum of 1%. So with every trade, the maximum you can lose is 1% from your whole balance you have in your EurekaX account. And customizable bots coming in the future, and those are high frequency and scalping bots. Then you can set up according to your own needs and risk and everything, but those are coming in the future. So this would be the best option if you don't want to deal with trading yourself at all. The company sets the bot up, you just have to choose, do you want to switch it on or off, and then sit back, relax, and then enjoy the ride. And of course you have to deposit or own something in your EurekaX exchange account. and then those if you have this bot switched on, then those funds will be used to trade. So you always have actually control over your funds. You don't need to send them somewhere else and then people trade with your funds. You just switch this bot on, and then the funds you have in your account will be used to trade. And if you don't want anymore, you just switch off the bot and you can withdraw your money. And that's how simple it is. But let's now move to the best part of this video, especially if you like networking and if you like to promote, or if you lack funds to trade, then this option is for you to generate the income, and then you can choose, do you want to use it in your life or you use it to start using the bot itself. So the affiliate program of this trading system. And here are some statements or slogans from the company. So richly reward our affiliates. Offer a fairly priced trading system. Use plain language and be transparent. Attract the best people in the world. And lastly, keep everything simple. And there are two types of commissions. The first is direct commissions. For each product that is being purchased in your web shop, you receive a commission known as direct commission. It is also paid upon product renewals each month. Requirement to receive these direct commissions is to have an active subscription of $9.99 monthly. And having active subscription will give you a place inside the 3x10 matrix. So by purchasing the subscription $9.99, you will receive those trading signals. So you get access to Telegram group. You will have your own web shop. So you receive commission, and then you also will be placed in this 3x10 matrix. And then there are also indirect commissions. Generating sales volume of $39.99 in your web shop. Either your referral buys a trading package or a bot, or you buy yourself any of those products. You are qualified to start getting indirect commissions. And the compensation plan of indirect commissions is built as a 3x10 forced matrix, which is also compressed. The commission from every level is 7.5%, making it very lucrative compensation plan. And commissions are being paid also from monthly renewals. So this is a really good way to start generating quite huge passive income every month. And this I'm calling being a super affiliate. The first subscription, $9.99, it will give you the place inside matrix. You also get direct commissions from your webshop purchases, and you also get signals. But whenever you have active package, so trading package or this bot, you are automatically qualified to start earning from that huge matrix. And if you don't own yourself any of those products, you need to just generate a sale volume of $39.99 in your web shop. Either you buy yourself a bot or trading package, or you sell it to someone, and you are automatically qualified to start getting earnings from that matrix. And this is where the real fun starts. And to give you a good overview of this matrix and explain what this compressed matrix means, and also what the forced matrix means, and to show you the earning potential, let me do it all on a whiteboard. So let's head there. Like I mentioned, it is a 3x10 matrix, and it is compressed and also forced matrix. So it means, if you don't know anything about matrices, then it means that everyone has maximum 3 members in his first level or his direct downline. Meaning that, for example, you are here, the maximum you can have under you is 3 members. And then your team will be built to the next level. So this guy here has 3, this guy here has 3, and here also 3, and they all have the same. And it goes up to 10 generations. So this is the first generation or first level, then second, third, and it goes up to 10 levels deep. This is the concept or the idea behind the 3x10 matrix. So it means that in your first level the maximum you will have is 3 persons. In your second level you have 9, in your third level you have 27, in your fourth level you have 81, and your fifth level you have 243. And on your 10th level, so I'm not going to write all those here, so in your last level you will have the maximum you can have is 59,049. So those are on each level. So the total member amount you can have in your townline is actually 88,572. So this is the total you can have on your townline. And the company is paying you 7.5% from each purchase. So 7.5% from each purchase, and it pays from every level. So you get the same percentage from all the levels up till level 10. And this is what makes this matrix or this compensation plan really powerful, because for example on your 10th level the maximum members you can have is 59,049 members, and you get 7.5% from each purchase from that level. And the company is paying out in total 82.5%, so 82.5% as commissions. So company is keeping just 17.5% to itself, because with this matrix you get 10 levels, so it's 75% in total. And as you also get commission from your own purchase that you make in your web shop, you get 7.5% from that too. So the total is 82.5%. That's why this compensation plan is so powerful. But let's look at some numbers too. So for example, the Ninja trading package, it costs $39.99, or the pot costs also $39.99. So 7.5% from that would be $3. So from the first level, if you have 3 members there, 1, 2, 3, you would get $9 as a commission. And this is monthly, so every month. So it is a passive income. From the second level, you would get $27. From your third level you would get 81, and from your fourth level you would get 243, and from the last level you would get 177,147. So this is from the 10th level, if you have it all full and all members are purchasing any of those products, so the trading package, Ninja trading package, or the bot. But this is from the level, but actually you are getting more, because from the first level, for example, you get 9, and from the second you get 27. So the total for that is already $36. And from third level, total is 117 bucks. It's a little bit messy here. Let me delete that and let me write it again. So 117. And from all your townline, the maximum you can earn is, so let me go here, 265,716. And I'm so used to put the mark behind, but in UST they put it in front. So this is the maximum you can earn from this matrix if it's completely full. And this is only from if members are buying this Ninja trading package or pot. But if somebody buys this personal mentoring training package, which costs $249.99, you would receive commission from that, where I'm going to write, so 18.75 would be the commission from every purchase. So whenever somebody in your downline purchases that personal mentoring package, you actually get, instead of free, bucks, you will get 18.75, so the commission can be a little bit higher even. And to give you a complete overview of all the levels, how much you can earn from every level if they are full, let me show you this one here. So I hope now the earning potential is clear, how much you can earn with this compensation plan, and you can see it's quite rewarding. But now let me talk about the forced matrix. So what does this forced means if you don't know anything about matrices? So forced means that members are placed from left to right. You cannot choose where to put members, and there are two sides for this. The good side is that you are getting a spillover from your uplines because all members will be placed. So one level is being filled completely, then the next level will be filled, and the next level will be filled. But the downside is that you cannot build your teams according to your needs or wants. So maybe you want to build certain area here, let's say your family members, your friends, etc., and certain area under another leg, etc. So you cannot do that. So like with everything, every coin has two sides. But let me now show you how this exactly works. So for example, you are here, so whoever uses your referral link will be placed to your left. So you will have on the left, let me put it a little bit further away so I can have more space here. And the second one who joins will be put here, and the third one will be put here. And now your first level is full. If now somebody joins with your referral link, it will be placed under your left leg and also to the left. Then this level will be filled one by one. So the next one that joins will go here. If this guy invites somebody himself or herself, then it will be placed here. And now if you invite somebody, it will be placed here. So the level goes from left to right, not leaving any spaces in between. Let's say this guy has also already somebody, let's say he has already two guys, and now somebody joins with your link, so they will be placed here, here, and now the next one would be placed here. So he fills this leg first from left to right, then from left to right, from left to right. And let's say now if this team has grown like really fast and it's already completely full, then the next one who joins with your link will be placed here to the left, and again it will continue as with previous level. So it will be filled up fully, and then it will move to the next level. So this way you can get spillover from your upline or from the company. Let's say you are here and this is already full, so if your upline invites somebody, it will go under your middle, this leg, and again next one goes here. And maybe now you invite yourself somebody, then it will go here. Your upline invites somebody, it will go here, and so on. So this is how the forced matrix first works. So all members will be placed from left to right, level by level. And let me show you one more thing to make it completely clear. So let's say if this is already full and there's no one here, so this is let's say this is first, second, third line, but there's no one here on the third line. And if somebody from here invites, so let's say this guy invites, it doesn't go here, but it goes to the same team, so it will be placed here. It will be placed under his left leg and under his left leg, so here, and the next one again goes here, and so on. So everything is regarding your own downline. It will not be placed somewhere here. It will still be on your own team. So they will not be placed under somebody else. They will be placed on your team, and by level by level still. So it goes from left to right. So I hope this is now clear. And now let me talk about the compressed. So what does this mean? It means that whenever somebody is inactive, it will be removed from the matrix and somebody else will take his place. So this way you can always be sure if you have like huge downline that there are no inactive members in between. Although as every level pays 7.5%, it doesn't make that big of a difference. If, for example, if it would be like first level gives you 15%, the second level gives you 8%, for example, then it makes difference. Are you getting from the second level the commission, or are you getting from the first level commission? But anyway, if the team is already big and it's over 10 levels, then you start to lose commissions because you have inactive members there. So how does it work is, for example, you are here and this guy doesn't pay the subscription fee $9.99, so he will be removed from the matrix. But there is a grace period of 14 days. So whenever you miss your payment, you have 14 days to make the payment to stay in the matrix. But let's say this guy doesn't want to deal anything anymore with this company, so he wants himself to be removed. So let's mark X. And now from the next level somebody will be placed here, and the system takes from the left. So this left guy goes here, and again if somebody is under here already, then this guy replaces this place here, and this guy replaces this place here. So all those places will be filled, so there will be no inactive members. So it's really crucial. If you want to stay in the matrix, you have to pay that $9.99 subscription fee. Because if you have already big team under you and then you miss that payment, like I said, fortunately the company is giving you 14 days grace time, then you have still time to pay it and stay in the matrix. But when you lose your place, and then you start again from the beginning. But yes, this is because to eliminate all inactive members from the matrix. So matrix has only active members. And the same works with this commission from the matrix, because to have a place in the matrix you need to pay that $9.99 subscription fee, but to get commission from this matrix you need to generate sales volume in your own web shop worth $39.99. You either buy the bot yourself or any training packages, or somebody buys from your web shop, then you get paid from there. And there is also, if you miss that payment, if your monthly payment is up, you will have a grace period. Right now the company is figuring out how long it will be, and soon we will know that too. So it will be 1 week or the same like with the staying in the matrix, like 2 weeks, 14 days. So we will have to wait and see what the company decides and how it will work. So if you miss that grace period too, if somebody under you buys for the package, then you will miss that commission. But with the grace period, those commissions will accumulate, and when you pay for your bot or for your training package, you get those commissions. So you will not lose those commissions if you pay in that grace period time. So to give you a quick conclusion or overview, this 3x10 matrix works that in every level there are maximum 3 members under someone. So free, etc. And forced, it means that the members will be placed from left to right, and levels will be filled one by one. And compressed means that whenever there is an inactive member who hasn't paid for a subscription $9.99 and hasn't also done it during this grace period, he will be removed, or she will be removed from the matrix, and somebody else will take the place from the left, goes up, and again from the left goes up. And commissions, every purchase gives you 7.5%. If it's training, this ninja training package or bot, it's $3. If it's this personal mentoring package, then it's $18.75. And every level pays the same. So the commission you can earn is quite a lot. So it's at the end it's up to you. Will you just use the bot to trade, to generate passive income that way, or you also use networking and you generate even more income. Let's say if you don't have much funds to trade, you can start to network, then you start to get this income and you can put it in your trading account and to get even more from the trading. So you get the commission and then you compound that commission with trading. So it's completely up to you. Or maybe you don't want to do the trading at all and you just want to take part in this network or the compensation plan. So the decision is completely yours. And that's it for this video. I hope you have now much better overview of this system, what it is offering, how you can benefit, and etc. So it's up to you. Do you want to improve your trading skills? Then use those trading packages. If you want to just trade using bot, you can use that, or you can use only signals. But if you want to generate income, even more income, then use this rewarding compensation plan. Because if you are able to build a big team, then definitely you will be rewarded big time. And the earlier you join, the higher you are inside the matrix, then you can also get spillover from the company itself. So it depends when you join. And as it has a free trial for 30 days, you don't have to pay, just use the link, sign up, and you have already your place inside the matrix. And then you start work building your teams, start using those signals, and you start getting yourself familiar with all this. And then after 30 days is over, you can decide, do you want to continue or no? It's up to you. So don't miss this chance, because you can try it out for free for 30 days. So click the link and I will see you inside. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you got value out of this video, smash that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and bell icon also next to it, then you will be notified whenever new video is uploaded to the channel. Anyway, thanks again, and we will see each other in the next video. Take care and enjoy your journey with this ImpulsX trading system. Bye bye.